Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate CuriosityStream on your smart Blu-ray player and link it to your account, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Turn on your smart Blu-ray player and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to the app section or channel store on your Blu-ray player's home screen. Step 3. Search for CuriosityStream in the App Store and select the official app from the results. Step 4. Download and install the CuriosityStream app on your Blu-ray player. Step 5. Open the CuriosityStream app and select Sign In or Activate Device from the menu. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Make a note of this code. Step 7. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to curiositystream.com. Activate. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV, then log in to your CuriosityStream account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription. Once the activation is confirmed, your Blu-ray player will refresh and CuriosityStream will be linked to your account. You can now enjoy thousands of documentaries and educational content on your TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.